Before we start, I want you to think about this for a second. If you had to choose right now, would you go for the iPhone 17 or the Samsung Galaxy S26? Keep that answer in your mind, because in this video, I have mixed both devices together, and we are going to discover them one by one. No bias, just real comparison. Let's begin with the first box. As I open this, pay attention to the build quality and presentation. Both Apple and Samsung are known for premium design, but they approach it differently. If this is the iPhone, you're looking at a refined, minimalist design. Flat edges, clean lines, and a very consistent feel across every generation. It is built to feel familiar and reliable. If this is the Samsung Galaxy S26, the focus is slightly different. You get a more futuristic design, often with curved elements, slimmer bezels, and a more experimental look. It is designed to stand out immediately. Now let's talk about the display, because this is one of the most important features you will use every day. Samsung devices are known for extremely vibrant displays. Colors are bright, contrast is strong, and everything looks visually striking. This is especially noticeable when watching videos or playing games. On the other hand, the iPhone focuses on color accuracy and balance. What you see on the screen is closer to real life. This makes a difference when editing photos or viewing content the way it was originally created. So the real question becomes simple. Do you prefer a display that is more vivid and eye-catching, or one that is more natural and true to life? Next, let's consider performance. Both of these devices are flagship smartphones, so speed will not be an issue in normal use. However, the experience is different. The iPhone is built around tight hardware and software integration. This means applications are highly optimized, animations are smooth, and performance remains consistent over time. Samsung, on the other hand, offers more flexibility. You can run multiple apps at once, customize your interface, and take advantage of advanced multitasking features. It feels more like a powerful tool that you can adapt to your needs. Now let's move to the camera system, which is often the deciding factor for many people. If this is the iPhone, you are getting one of the most reliable video systems available. Stabilization is excellent, colors are consistent, and the overall quality is ideal for content creation. If this is the Samsung Galaxy S26, the strength lies in versatility. Higher zoom capabilities, detailed photos, and strong performance in low-light conditions. It allows you to capture scenes that would be difficult on other devices. In simple terms, iPhone focuses on consistency and video quality, while Samsung focuses on flexibility and range. Battery life and daily usage are also important. The iPhone is optimized to manage power efficiently, ensuring stable performance throughout the day. Samsung often provides larger batteries and faster charging options, giving you more control over how quickly you can get back to full power. So here, it becomes a choice between efficiency and speed. Now, let's open the second box. At this point, you should already have an idea of what to expect, but this is where the comparison becomes complete. As this device is revealed, think about everything we have discussed so far. Design, display, performance, camera, battery. Now you have seen both sides. The iPhone 17 offers a smooth, consistent, and highly optimized experience. It is designed for simplicity, reliability, and long-term performance. The Samsung Galaxy S26 offers flexibility, advanced features, and greater control over how you use your device. It is designed for users who want more options and customization. Neither is objectively better. They are simply built for different types of users. So now, I will ask you again. Which one would you choose? The one that keeps everything simple and refined,